Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to check your listing position. All right, as you all know, cex.io has introduced where each and every member of their community can go and check his position, his airdrop position, and that airdrop position is located in the app. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to check yours. So before we begin, if you know you are new to my YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'll keep updating with informations like this. And I'm gonna drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel if you want to be part of my community. And let's begin. So as you can see, we are going to open the app like this. I'm going to touch here and I'm going to open the application. When we open the app, as you can see, this is the home page of the app. When you look up here where they are going to open, where they write airdrop up there, as you can see, I just touched it. So as you can see, I just touched it and it opens. So here is get started. You press on get started. When you press on get started like this, it is going to show you this. As you can see, what they are trying to show you here is that this is my position. This is my position. Out of 8 million people, I am at 1,285,000 right now. All right, so this is my position, and if I want to improve my position, what I'm going to do right now is invite people into Be Sexy. A lot of people asking me what is this Be Sexy? Be Sexy is where exactly the CEX listing is going to be. I have made a video on that. They have introduced this Be Sexy, and they said this is exactly where their listing is going to be. All right, so that's why they the roadmap is supposed to be here in the airdrop part. When you touch the airdrop part before, that is exactly where you are going to see the roadmap and everything concerning the TGE and the listing of cex.io. But now they have removed it and replaced it with the sex side. This sex side is where exactly the listing is going to be. So make sure you open it and check your position and see where you are at. And if you want to improve, if you have a very small position, you can improve by inviting more people. Here is the invitation link. You can invite more people to Be Sexy. Be Sexy is where exactly the listing of cex.io is going to be. All right, so if you really do enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'll keep updating with information like this. And don't forget to join my WhatsApp/Telegram channel, for that is where exactly I will be updating you with informations that doesn't require videos. All right, thank you for watching. Peace.